See this frog. Green light, green strip in the between. Three green strips, lightish brown and stripe. Three green stripes and one stripe in between. It's a different type of species, but very nice. Very nice frog. Here you can see. Between these stones, nice little frog, different species, green striped frog, three green stripes. Interesting to spot in the monsoon season, rainy season. Yeah. Do give your comments and likes about this frog. This is the different one which I have spotted this monsoon season. So do give your comments and likes. Wake up for new videos on Traveler Pratnesh. Thanks for watching.